the hips, and as you inhale, come all the way up. Notice how I helped him. We'll come back to the mat to Samasthiti, and we'll just take a page out of the primary series. As you inhale, open up and step to the back of the mat. As you exhale, tuck the hips as you take the right hand either to the big toe, that felt good, or to the right shin, or wherever you need to take it. Once you get planted, make sure that back foot feels stable. Then just lean back. Just think of it leaning into a wall. Come on back. I got you. Good. And think fingers, spread them wide and reach for the sky. See how that helps you lift. And that's his Utthita Trikonasana assist for the day. He should feel pretty good there. Now, if your teacher, don't let go of them, keep them. Then say, look down, inhale up, rotate the feet, arms to a T, adjust that back foot 45 degrees, give or take. Turn toes in for Trikonasana. Inhale, straight leg, this leg out. Exhale, reach far forward and down, either taking the big toe or whatever's available. And then just be real mindful of your neck. If it hurts to look up here, just look down. There's no problem with looking down. I mean, it's a very, very good spot. I spend a lot of time looking at my toes, but my neck is herniated, so I have to adjust the posture. If you have to adjust, it's fine. Now we'll just do one more posture, this kind of stolen, if you will, Ashtanga sequence. As you inhale up, exhale, rotate the feet again. Now you're at the back of the mat. Right foot faces the back wall. Left foot's parallel, and the right forearm comes to the right thigh, and the left arm comes forward and over the ear. Then as you roll back, think of looking at your fingertips for 1. And I just want to give him a little tug here. 2, and say, pull against me. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up, arms to a T, rotate those feet again. Now left foot forward, right foot parallel, left forearm to thigh, right forearm forward and over the ear. Side angle, other side, and kind of roll the chest open to the heart, or the heart rather open to the sky for 1, 2, 3, beautiful postures. Remember to breathe. 4, and 5. Frame the front foot with both hands. Step back, come to a tabletop. Take a few cat-cows. So as you inhale, drop the belly, look up.